deciding anything, just check the complete video. Reality isn't the same what we see on the social media, right? I wanted to do this activity from so long, but I never had a courage. One of my colleagues is a professional outdoor surfer, and then I asked him before going like how safe it is, how much it's gonna hurt me. He told me yes, it does hurt, but it's very safe compared to the outdoor surfing because that's how they made it for the beginner. So I thought, okay, let's try it. And then he gave me some like small tricks how to make sure like you don't get hurt. He told me like don't fall on the side, because if you're gonna fall on the side there is no water, you're gonna hurt yourself so badly. I tried, but when you do the surfing you saw I was falling anywhere because you can't control, there is a lot of water pressure, and it's gonna take you wherever it wants. Yes, if you know how to keep your foot and how to move, you can control, but I couldn't. Personally, I could not control there anything because for me it was too many things to keep in my mind, and I was going wherever water was taking me. I fall on my chest, I fall on my back, I fall on my face. Literally like the next day I was zombie. I could not walk because it was so hurtful next day for me. Let me know in the comments below what kind of activities you like to do and what kind of activities you already did and how you felt after doing those. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you until next time.